Good morning students. Now let's come to the part question number 7, exercise 6.4. Okay, what is saying question number 7? In right triangle ABC, okay, and angle B is equal 90 degree. This is given here. Angle B 90 and right angle triangle ABC. If AB is equal 6 centimeter, BC is equal 8 centimeter, then you have to find here AC, value of AC. Okay, firstly we make here a right angle triangle. Okay, this is 90 degree, this is right angle triangle. Okay, and angle B, it means this is vertex B. Okay, this is 90 degree. Clear? We can write here A, B and C. This is triangle ABC. Okay, you know very well opposite side to the right angle, this is hypotenuse, this is base and this is perpendicular. Clear? Now we know very well Pythagoras theorem. What is a Pythagoras theorem? By using Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras theorem. Clear? So Pythagoras theorem is tell us the relation between the hypotenuse, perpendicular and base. And what is the given here? Just AB. AB is equal, AB means this side. This is 6 centimeter and BC is equal 8 centimeter. Then we have to calculate here AC. And how do we calculate AC? By using Pythagoras theorem. And what is saying Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square is equal perpendicular square plus base square. This is Pythagoras theorem. Clear? Then hypotenuse is AC square and perpendicular is AB square and base is BC. Square of base means BC square. Okay, write here the given values. What is AB? AB is 6 square plus BC is 8 square. It means square of 6 is 36 and square of 8 is 64. Then on adding these numbers we get 100. Okay, 100. It means AC square is equal 100. We have to calculate here only value of AC, not AC square. So for finding the value of AC, we will calculate here square root of 100. Okay, we have to find the square root of 100. Then we can we get value of AC. Clear? Then you know very well how to find out the square root of 100. It is so simple process. Firstly pair from right, this is first pair and this is second pair. Okay, clear? And we just assume that a number which is equal to 1, whose number square is equal to 1, then you know very well square of 1 is also 1. Then we write here 1 and 1. Okay, then 1 into 1 and 1 plus 1 2. Clear? We write here also 1. Then 1 minus 1 is equal 0, and now write here below next pair 0 0, and we what will be right here to get 0. Okay, then you know very well we put here 0 and 0, and we write here also 0 into 20, that is 0, and 0 minus 0, that is 0. Okay, it means square root of 100 is 10. It means value of AC is 10 centimeter. Now comes to the similar part. Okay, this is a similar triangle is given here, same condition for this question. Okay, if AC is equal 13 centimeter, this is given here, and BC is equal 5 centimeter. Then you have to calculate AB. What will be the value of AB? This is finding here. Clear? So for finding the value of AB, firstly we draw a right angle triangle in which angle B is 90. This is given in the question. Okay, and opposite side to right angle is hypotenuse. This is vertex A, this is vertex C. This is triangle ABC, which is right angle triangle, and opposite to 90 hypotenuse. This is base and this is perpendicular. Okay, clear? Now what is the given in the question? First thing is given here, AC is equal 13. This is side AC, so this is hypotenuse or AC is 13 centimeter. This is given in the question. And BC means base is given here 5 centimeter. Okay, then we have to find out the perpendicular, value of perpendicular. Then how we calculate here? By using Pythagoras theorem, and you know very well what is saying Pythagoras theorem. By using Pythagoras theorem, and this is saying hypotenuse square is equal perpendicular square plus base square. Okay, we firstly put here the value of what is the perpendicular, hypotenuse and base side in the form of side. Okay, hypotenuse is AC square, perpendicular is AB square, and base is BC square, and put the value of given. Then we can say AC square means 13 square is equal AB square means perpendicular we have to calculate here, so we put AB square as it is AB square. Okay, now BC square, value of BC, that is 5, and square of 5 square. Okay, now for finding the square of AB, we transfer 5 square to the left hand side. So this is in plus sign, and when we send to the in left hand side, then minus of 5 square will be here. Okay, then you know very well square of 13 169, square of 5 25. On subtracting 169 25, then we get 144, and this is AB square here. For finding AB, we calculate here square root of 144. Okay, then we get AB. So by using division method, 144, this is the first pair, second pair, and you know very well square of 1 is equal to this number, so we write here 1 and 1, and we write here also 1 into 1 subtract, and 1 plus 1 2 add it, 1 plus 1 2. Okay, now remainder will be 0 on subtracting 1 minus 1 0, and now write here below next pair 4 and 4 44 right here. And now we will put here same digit for getting 44. The digit will be 2 and 2. Okay, so we write here 2 also on in the quotient. Okay, by multiplying 22 into 2, that will be 44, and remainder will be 0. 44 minus 44 means 0. It means square root of 144 is 12. Clear? 12 centimeter. It means value of AB is 12 centimeter. This is your answer, and thank you.